The electric power washer 3500 PSI Max, manufactured by Anpuce, provides a robust cleaning solution with a maximum pressure of 3,500 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. This power washer comes equipped with a set of 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing for easy adjustment of pressure for various cleaning tasks and surfaces. The 25 feet hose and 20 feet power cord provide sufficient length for maneuverability, and the built-in reel ensures easy storage and prevention of kinks and snags. Despite its power, this washer is easy to move and store, thanks to its large wheels and compact design with centralized storage for all accessories. The washer is versatile, capable of tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks, from home exteriors and vehicles to patio furniture and lawn equipment. At a competitive price of $129.99, with an average review score of 4.1 from 67 reviews, this power washer offers excellent value for its features and performance.